many other WordPress users, where you start kind of like as a freelancer, agency, and you already explained a bit like what's Modular DS, but like why, what kind of like triggered that thing, like what triggered the start of Modular DS, for example? What was it?
Well, actually, when I started the agency, it was like it was me and my partner David, which is my partner now, also with Modular DS, and we started the agency. It's gonna be like 6 years soon ago, and we did what we knew how to do, which was build websites, build e-commerce sites, also web applications for other companies. But we always wanted to create our own product. We were doing like the consulting job, like doing new projects that all basically were very similar to each other. And we always had the dream of creating something that we could actually call our own and like innovate with that, try to evolve it and try to do new things with that. So we tried different things actually at the beginning. Modular DS wasn't like the first try we did. And it wasn't until we are actually, after failing a few times, we actually talked with many WordPress professionals, and we were trying to see like also the struggles we were having as an agency. And it's when we end up realizing that still one of the problems that were common in very professionals was like the maintenance of the websites, or more like what happens after a website is published, not only maintenance but maintenance, client relationships, and so on. We found a problem there, and that's when actually Modular started as a problem we found and we were also having ourselves.
Nice, nice. If you may, if you can you tell us, like, just curiosity, like another one or two products you tried to start, kind of thing, like, because you said like
Well,
Modular DS wasn't the first one, so like what other type
I,
of solutions?
yeah, I'm gonna tell you the biggest one. You'll probably say I'm crazy. We were probably crazy for trying, but we were trying to create like our own building solution, like an Elementor or like WP Bakery or something like that. And it was basically like 3 4 person here in a small office in Leon. And somebody told us like after a few months of development, they were like, so you're trying really to compete with these kind of tools that have like millions of users, have incredible budgets to do marketing and everything, and you're just a few random guys here trying and we were like, okay, this might not be the market we want to try to to compete with. So that was one of the biggest ones that we spent actually like a few months, like 5 or 6 months, trying to develop a product.